Hey, I'm curious, what was your best Black Friday purchase? Well, I'll tell you what mine was. So there I was at Costco, and boom! My dream TV, the massive 100-inch Hisense QLED TV. And best part, oh my gosh, it was under $2,000. I told myself, if this thing hits under $2,000, I gotta buy it. It was $1,650, guys. I run around trying to see if I can find the actual TV. You know how Costco is. They're never lined up with the stock, with the display. I can't find it. I find a Costco rep. They're saying, oh, we only have the display. Sorry, man. Oh, I'm like, dang it, just crushed it. He's like, well, let me look it up. Oh, we got some in transit. I'm like, heck yeah, let's do this. I'm calling every single day. Nope, it's not here. It's not here. Every day as I'm calling, I'm thinking, how the heck am I going to get this thing home? 100-inch TV. I got a Sequoia. Hey, that thing has hauled everything. But it's not going to fit. The roof. Got the roof rack. You know what? I don't even know if that would work. After 3 days of calling Costco, is it here? Is it here? No. I go on to Amazon. It's on sale. Not $1,650, $1,800. You know what? That's good enough. So I buy it. Freaking thing gets delivered. Oh my gosh. The extra money I paid for, totally freaking worth it. I love this TV. This thing is massive. Now I got this set up in my basement. I have a new set of problems. I gotta redo this whole setup now just to accommodate this TV. Oh man. Okay, I guess I gotta do it. If you find a better deal than $1,650, let me know in the comments.